Hello friends, chances are you enjoy eating pineapples as much as I do. So what do you do with the crown or top after eating your delicious pineapple? Before you throw it away, I present to you 5 things that you can do with your pineapple crown. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Number 1. Use as a houseplant. Pineapples can grow very big, but when grown in a small pot or container, the growth is slow so much that they can fit on your desk or windowsill and thus make a good houseplant. It requires minimal watering, so not much work on your side, and you may even get a mini pineapple after a while. You can also keep it in a glass or even a small bottle with a wide mouth, partly filled with water. You can even use a small plastic bottle cut in two. This may be kept like this, or you may make it aesthetically pleasing by keeping it in a small vase or flower pot. This is my preferred method for using pineapple as a houseplant, since growth is slowed much more in water. You just have to top up the water or change it occasionally if it gets cloudy. Number 2. Grow a pineapple. This is a no-brainer. If you like growing things, you will certainly love growing pineapples from the top once you discover how easy and fun it is to grow your own pineapple. The pineapple in your shot was actually grown from a pineapple crown. Once you plant it, in no time and with little work, you'll be harvesting your own mini or big pineapple fruit. The good thing is that if you get tired of your pineapple houseplant, you can repot into bigger containers and they will grow bigger and start bearing bigger fruits. Check out our video on growing pineapples linked in the description to get you started. Number 3. Multiply it. You can multiply your pineapple crown to get even more pineapples from a single top or crown. Yeah, you heard right. You can actually multiply the pineapple crown to get more pineapple plantlets, which can be grown to produce more pineapple fruits. There are a number of ways to do this. Check out our video on how to multiply pineapple crowns from the pineapple playlist or link in the video description. Number 4. Compost it. You are probably thinking that a pineapple crown is too thick to throw into the compost pile, especially if you want your compost fast. You are right, but there is a way to go about this. You first have to pull the crown apart. Pulling apart a pineapple crown is a mindless task that has some calming and almost therapeutic effect on the mind. You get to unravel the mysteries hidden in the inner core of the pineapple crown. Give it a try, but you may have to wear gloves if the pineapple crown has spines. For tearing it apart, just cut the leaves into pieces using a pair of scissors and throw into the compost pile. Number 5. Use as mulch. This follows a similar approach as previously described. You have to pull the crown apart, but instead of cutting the leaves, just dump the whole leaves under your plant. This really works well if you have more crowns so that you can have more coverage with the leaves. If you enjoy this video, smash the like button to show your approval and also share so that more people can benefit from it. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for free to support our work. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Until then, it's adios from me.